Hello, Dum Dum Tech friends. Welcome again to the Dum Dum Tech videos review.
Oh, thanks, Rosanna. Today, guys, I've got a good surprise. It's the new Yoda,
Baby Yoda.
walking toy. Yeah, it's the Baby Yoda toy, which I ordered for Disney. We're going to do unboxing here. This is gigantic.
Oh my goodness! It's so big!
I didn't expect that to be that big. Well, it's going to be small.
Oh my goodness!
I've got this as well. Like certificates.
Oh my minus.
And the box.
Hey, I
The
look.
Disney box, which I ordered from Disney Store, has Mickey Mouse and his friends.
I like it.
Hot, yeah, wrapped in it. So that's pretty good.
I didn't expect that big.
This cost £60, which I paid for it. Compared to this, which I paid the Animatronics one, which I'm going to show you in a second. Sorry, guys. Which is 45. Can you see that?
It's making noise at the moment.
So that's, if you compare the sizes to that, if you look at what the Disney Store, you get the walking remote one to
Look, can you see the
Animatronic
difference
ones.
between these ones? That one's big and that one's small. What's the difference?
get that out of the way. So you get, of course, you get the medallion, the Mandalorian necklace, and the remote control. Okay, let's get it out of the box. Okay, there we go. It's out of the box. Now let's get rid of that. Oh, you can see. I don't know if you see the size of this thing. It's gigantic.
Ooh, I'm Baby Yoda father.
Right, so necklace is about that length, which it's cool. It's not that big. It's the right size for its neck. So I'll wrap it around.
How to work this thing out?
Okay, that's not a nice size. It fits. Not like this one where it's all long and it's too tall for him. But okay, real life size is it's meant for the Mandalorian. I guess they did it to scale, and this one's just fits him. Okay. Right. What can you do? Can you move him?
It moved it before, guys. Look.
Okay, it requires 4 AA batteries. Oh, what did you do? You
It just shakes him.
it's on trial mode. Is there a button underneath?
It just moves him.
So it has wheels underneath.
Ah.
You can see that.
I'm so scared about him.
That's the battery
Get away!
compartment. There's the sound comes out of this hole.
He looks big and he's not even 16 years old yet.
At the
He's
back,
gigantic.
as you see there.
Luckily, this is good.
It's got the Star Wars label at the back. Nice materials, cloth.
Nice and
He's wearing a nice coat. It's woolly around the sides. I don't know. If you can undo
I
that.
didn't expect that gigantic.
Yeah, I'll bring it closer. You can't see the pupils of his eyes, unlike the ones
The red one
to
moving.
this one. This one's more detailed.
Red one moving. Red one moving. That one's
This one's not bad. It's just okay.
that one's
Looks like a cute alien. I think the animatronics one from Hasbro has more detail at the moment. I'm getting that feeling. But this one, if you see the head of both, this one's got, it's more plastic-y, and you see the hairlines drawn, and this one is purely done by PVC. Printing. It's more,
I
it's
got it.
rubbery.
This one is turning around. Wake up, baby Yoda.
Oh, at the bottom, there's a power switch.
Oh
so-
no, I'm not gonna.
I don't know if you can see that. It must be on try me mode with the X at the top, and there's must be on the circle, and there's a line. I think it's off. So I just switched it onto the circle. Can you move anything, Rosie? Right, let's put the drill pad. Is it off? Have I done it wrong?
Look at his finger.
At the back of his head, it says in the instruction there's a infrared light.
I
So
was
that's
trying to
where
say that.
That's where the
I
infrared
showed.
remote control
I already
is.
showed them.
Okay, so the X is to try me. The circle is off, and the line is on. And let's pick this up.
Let's show this at the background.
So I put it on the line, right at the bottom. It should be on. There's an action button inside his tummy, it says. Okay. So inside this.
Oh.
Oh, okay. So okay, I had to put 3 AAA batteries into this remote control. To turn it on, you have to hold down for a couple of seconds on this button at the bottom. It's a rubber button until it flashes red. Okay, it's on now. So, what does these color buttons do? Okay, the purple button is the force movement. Let's try and move it closer. Okay, I can control it. Move it backwards as well. Move it to the side. It's very responsive to touch. It's cool. It's nice to, and it goes to the direction you want it to go, with the amount of pressure. Nice. That's very awesome. That's awesome. Awesome to remote control it. So the purple button's the Force Awaken. The green button, well done, let's see. The orange button, watch this. Press it. Hello. It moves its head around. Okay, I haven't got enough room to play hide and seek in this room. But that would be fun to do. Okay, so what the green button is sound. It makes these babbling noises. Press it. So press the red button. The child will walk around the room, which we can stop that. And we'll go explore. Too bad it's not got sensors to know if it's falling off the stairs. Okay, let's try to stop that. Okay, you stop it by pressing the joystick, the actions. The yellow button is follow me. So if it looks at me and it follows the remote control. it should turn around. Oh, okay, it doesn't. Oh, it's yeah. There's some sensor setting which it follows. Okay, let's stop that. Turn it around. Blue one, place hide and seek. I press the blue button here. And the purple one does the Force Awakens. Okay, let's turn them around. So what else do you get with it? When you order it from the Disney store, I pre-ordered this. I think I get this. What is it? I forgot. Let's open it now. Show you. It's the Mandalorian from the Disney shop. Let's see what it is. I forgot what I ordered. I ordered this and it came with something. Like I guess it's a poster or. Oh, it's kind of a certificate, I guess. Okay, so you get this laminated picture. It's a nice picture with the Mandalorian holding Baby Yoda. Okay, that's cool. It's a bit chaotic review, but this is first impressions. It's pretty good, and I kind of like it. You see the size difference between the different Yodas. The Animatronic one, which you tap and it does things. This one, after some time having it, does. You have to tap it a couple of times to make it work. See if you can do the first working. Hey, just some final thoughts on this. So when you do an action on pressing one of these buttons, you can stop the action by pressing it again, and it stops it. So it's a start and stop process. Do the first awaken, press that button, then want to stop that, I'll press it again, stop it. So if it goes round in the room chaotically, you can stop it by pressing it again. Or this one, this remote control to stop it. It's I used the follow me mode. It followed me around the room. It works kind of good. If you put the wrist around, it does follow you. The only problem is if you have flats, it needs to be on flat surfaces. If it has carpets or you got steep ramps, steep bits in your on your floor, and it's to step up, it's going to have trouble getting over that. The other negative, I would say, is it's pretty loud. As you hear that sound. When it moves its head around, you can hear the motorized functions within its body. That happens when it's exploring and going around the room by itself when it's moving its head. But it's very nice. I think I do like it, even though it's a bit loud. The baby sounds make up for it when it's following you, so that's a trade-off, I guess. That's my first impressions of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Be back soon.